40mm Renthal stem. A lot of this isn't for you, mate. I'm a big fan of this. My name's Bernaker, and today we're going to be riding a brand new bike. So I've got my helmet on, we're ready to go, but first we've got to build the bike. This is the brand new Pivot Firebird in green. You've seen the orange one we've been riding, we haven't said what it was called, but it is the new Firebird 29er. And today we've come to the top of Ligier here in France, and it's going to be pretty much from toolbox to trail. Barney is going to do a dream build on this thing in the work stand next to me, and we're basically going to get the whole thing built for you, click a GoPro on and drop straight into the trail as soon as the build is done. Right, so frame's here, Barney's trick toolbox is here, we've got our table, we've got our setup, all the tools we need, all our Shimano parts. Behind us we've got a little Motrex bin with our Maxxis tyres in that we're going to chuck on, Reynolds wheels on the Industry 9 Hydra hubs. This is basically everything we should need to get this sick new colour built up, and then drop straight into my left and show you guys a dream build, which hopefully is going to be rad. The orange one was cool, but I think I'm more of a green person. Let us know what you think in the comments. And we're still going to have a sick orange fork on it, so should be rad. Let's get started. Bike is in the stand. We got the first thing in, which is the Foc Transfer seat post. From here, it's going to get pretty sick. We just got to keep building really, and then I'm excited to ride it. I know I've been riding an orange one already, but if you see this, we'll get some close-ups of this colour in the sun. It is ridiculously cool. So orange forks are in. I think they look unreal. The boys said they thought it was going to look good with black, but I think now the orange looks so sick with the bike, kind of like not a dull colour, but like not as bright as this. I think they look sick. And stems in. I run a 40mm Renthal. This bike is slightly longer than the old one, and I already like quite a short stem on most of my bikes. I don't know why, jumping or something, but 40mm Renthal stem with a 35mm bar. Next up, I've decided not to be completely useless on this mountaintop, even though I am uploading a different LSD. And I'm gonna put some tyres on wheels. After we put, what we use is PTs, valves, and PT sealant. So I'm gonna chuck those in, do some tyres. We're going with the Maxxis DHF on the front, and I need to put the logo by the valve. Sure, it's pretty better ways to do this.
Definitely put the logo by the valve.
Oh, is it the right rotation? Yeah, it is. 50 chance. Bang in, I'll get some sealant, we'll film me pumping it up. Ooh. Lada, this isn't for you, mate. No. No. Lada wants to go on some PTs. It looks pretty good, but not good enough for a dog to drink, I don't think. No, mate. Really good wheel and tyre combo. You shouldn't need a compressor. You should just pump the bad boy straight up like so. And it goes ting 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 ting. Let's see. Is it even gonna pop? I think it's too smooth. Didn't even hear a pop, it just slid on. That's so good. That's well funny. Tyre number 2 going up. This is going to go to 30, I think they just seat. Right, good thing about valve caps, well, PT's valve caps, if you didn't know, sometimes you need to undo your, like the valve inner, the core, whatever it is, and these have got a tool built into them. So you can undo and do up your valve, whether you've got sealant stuck in there, or you want to get all the air out quick, or your wheels and tyres don't go up as easy as these and you need a compressor. PT's valve caps, valves come with a tool, so you can take the insert out. There you go, so it pretty much works like that, it goes on. I don't want to undo my valve core because my one's all good, but the valve cap tool works exactly like that. And the other one's a spoke key, but I'm no mechanic, so don't get me to do that.
Yeah.
The wheels are in, it's starting to look like a bike. Getting pretty excited actually, I've put my clip shoes on now, I'm not in slippers anymore. So Barney's just on the chain now. We're not far off. It's clouded over a bit unfortunately, but we're not far off from riding this bad boy. Like I said, I know I've ridden an orange one, but I'm a big fan of this metallic-y green. I should actually check what it's called. But for me it's the colour. The new Pivot Firebird 29er.
Learn to.
Right, Barney's finished it up. The GoPro's rolling. I'm going to click a few gears because we're literally going to grab it out the stand. Barney's tidying his toolbox. Thanks so much to Barney, everyone. Say well done in the comments. But that is the Pivot Cycles Firebird 29 dream build. And hopefully I'm going to roll straight down the trail and get a few iPhone clips on the way down. But mainly I'm just actually going to get it straight out the stand. Sit there. I'll double check. I'm not going to. I mean, I trust its work, but I reckon it's cool in the orange. The orange is sick. I do like a bright bike, but
It's quite cool.
orange is good.
Yeah. Big fan.
Big fan, big fan. Yeah, we put a little bit of beer on the brakes, hopefully bed those in. And it's literally toolbox or whatever. Toolbox to trail, is that what it's saying? For
I don't know if that's what anyone says.
the new Firebird, yeah, we're saying it, so. Cheers, dog.
No worries.
I'll see you guys
Enjoy.
at home. I'm
Have
going to
fun.
bomb straight down the trail behind us here now. And hopefully I'll let Louis get over to his little point if you want. And we'll ride in. See you at home. Oh, I can feel smooth. Let the brakes in. Hit a beer. Yeah, boy. Oh, you can't beat a fresh steed. Tell ya. Go. Boy. The boys have just gone ahead to get a couple more clips on the iPhones for me, but there she is. I'm so happy with this. I'm very lucky that I get a couple of bikes from Pivot, more than a couple, an amazing sponsor, but still like a kid at Christmas and so excited when we get a new one. So a couple more clips and keep shredding this thing. Right, drop back in, try my best to do a scrub over these tables with the camera. We'll see how that goes. Whoa. Keep on trucking. Oh. I don't know if they were both there or one went down further. Bit off piece line. Oh, bikes are so good. Oh, is that Matt Walker on an orange Firebird 29er?
Hey dude, nice bike.
Hey, nice bike, man.
Super sweet.
Back in, and then we'll insert, hopefully, the cool clip they get here. Yo, yo, yo! The bottom half of this trail here in the J is so rough. Luckily, we got 162mm of rear travel to smoothen it out, because we're going to bloody need it. Oh, is this it here? Oh, is this it here? Yeah, like now I reckon. Yeah, so these bikes do free ride as well. You get your on and off obstacles. Pretty cool. Yeah, so these bikes do free ride as well. You get your on and off obstacles, so that's pretty cool. On the old Leger 4-cross track, or what is now part of the XC World Cup track. It's huge sinkholes. Bonus feature! We're following an orange Firebird 29er. Oh! Another bonus feature. Coasting. Coasting on the bird. Right, your wheelies, right, this is gonna see the Unicycle's green build, the new green Firebird 29er. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like the look of the bike.